We've just released a new feature which allows you to include prelims in your estimates. You'll find a new prelim catalogue alongside the kit and product catalogues in your inventory, and you can start adding prelims using the plus button like you would kits and items. The first column, type, you can switch between labour and materials, and that has an impact on your default markups and your tax in your estimates. The rest of the columns are pretty self-explanatory. You can fill them in with whatever you like. And markup and unit buy are the same as they are on items and products, and they will allow you to set the costs for your prelims. Once you've set up prelims in your catalogue, then the next time you create a new estimate, they will automatically be included. And you'll find them in a new tab in the estimate called prelims. And you'll see they've automatically been brought in with 0 quantity. So for every new estimate that you make, you want to go through and assign quantities to your prelims as required. If you have estimate specific prelims that you want to include, you can also add them at the estimate level. But in a slight departure from how things work on the products and items, these won't be propagated back to your catalogue. So if you want things to apply to all future estimates, you need to make the changes in the catalogue. In terms of reporting, they will be brought in alongside your items into the reports page, and there's a very useful thing you can do to filter them out. We have a new column called row type, which will either be prelim or item, and will allow you to filter out prelims into their own section, and you can use the customize layout feature to customize the grid for the prelims to have the columns that you want.